Today on the Brad Link, you can find out exactly what you need to pack in your wedding day emergency kit. Hey, you should literally be ready for anything, especially an emergency. And that's why we suggest that you should create a wedding day emergency kit and have it with you all day long. Now, in all honesty, it's best to create two different types of kits. So today we're going to talk all about your personal kit and everything that you should have on you as the bride or groom so you have it just within your reach. And then we'll actually have another blog that will talk all about your setup kit or your decorating kit. So the person that is going to be doing all of your decor and all of your setup and managing all of your vendors needs to have that kit on them. One reason why we have two separate kits is because we want you to make sure that you are the guest of honor on your wedding day. So if you can, at least hire a day of coordinator, if not a full-fledged wedding planner. If you can't afford a professional, you need to have a buddy, a friend, a cousin, an aunt, some sort of volunteer to act as your day of coordinator, because there's no way that you can set up everything for your wedding and also be pampered like the guest of honor like you should be. So today let's talk first about what you need to have in your personal wedding emergency kit. The first section you're going to want to look at is medication. This is going to be by far the most important section. If you or anybody that is a VIP or in your wedding party has specific medication that's really important they have nearby, you want to make sure you have extra on hand, and this includes EpiPens. You might even need to tell some people where that medication is located in case it's needed in a stitch. The next thing you're going to have is anything that can cure a headache. Ibuprofen, Tylenol, Excedrin, maybe a variety. This is one of the most common things that I get asked for as a wedding planner, and so you want to make sure that you have plenty on hand. A first aid kit never hurt anybody, and also having some hand sanitizer, Tums, allergy relief, and maybe even eye drops is a good idea. And in the bathroom, it's always nice to have extra pads and tampons because this is something I also get asked for often when I'm on site. Next, you want to think about toiletries, and it's really important to have some extra deodorant, also some extra mouthwash or flossers. If you're going to be doing hair and makeup on site, have your hair and makeup professional leave you a little bit of extra makeup, especially lipstick for some coverage. I've had some other people pack things like lotion, Q-tips, and mouthwash. That's totally up to you, and it's a bonus, but it's always nice to have. Next, if you're really thinking about beauty products, always make sure that you have fashion tape, eyelash glue, bobby pins, hairspray, a hairbrush, safety pins, and a sewing kit. And when you're looking at safety pins, if you can get one of those extra large safety pins, almost like the size of a diaper pin, you might want to keep that handy in case your bustle breaks. Unfortunately, bustles can be really expensive, but I see them break on site often, and then you're left just dragging your wedding dress around on the dance floor. Next items is if you really want to pack a bag where you've literally thought of everything, there's a few extra things you can throw in there just to make sure that you are extra prepared. One is a Tide pin. Next, some eyeglass wipes, hair bands, Kleenex for your ceremony, a lint roller, and breath mints to knock out that first kiss. It doesn't hurt to also pack a little bit of blue ribbon in case the bride forgets her special something blue. With all of that, we should have you covered for your personal wedding day emergency kit. You can find more information about our setup wedding day emergency kit on thebradlink.com.